Hello. I'm currently working on action 66891. For this portion of the action, I'm testing the support of the Flexcel component under XE2, Delphi XE2 for the format of XLSM, which is a worksheet, an Excel worksheet with macros embedded inside that worksheet. So according, the evaluation of this component seems to be supporting, it has the function to support XLSM format. So I'm using this project right here, this version 2.1 of the job schedule Excel export project, and I've added the Excel format, file format, as a T format type, and it has a method for, as a property actually, for us to save that, file format when open. And if we kind of follow this link here, it should have all the supported formats defined here. Okay, so under T format, let's find that. And according to this documentation, it has the support for XLSM, which is a 5. Okay, so here, so we can see that it has the support for XLSM, which is a 5. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to save that format when you open the worksheet, and then when we save it back as a stream, we want to preserve that using the same format. Originally, the code was for it was hard coded for XLSX, so we want to comment that out and use the format that's whatever the native format of that worksheet. So we do have a test worksheet here. Where is that? Okay, so here's the path for it. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure that we can open it first to make sure that it's there and before the changes. Okay, so let's take a quick look right here. So currently it has a revision date. No, it's been modified. Okay, so this is the original format here. This is the original file. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Get rid of this for now. I'm just going to change it. Called test. Okay, I'm going to restore the original copy. And I'm going to open it just to see what it's currently. This is the current format right here, current file. Enable, yes. Okay, that's okay. Could not find whatever active job list, XLS. Okay, run active job list. Is it possible it's been moved? Name, yes, okay. And it's okay here. And so there's the format right here. Okay, so we can go ahead and save this. Not save it. I don't save it. It's the way it is. Okay, so it's dated 12/3/2020. Job schedule. Okay, so we can go ahead and switch back to Delphi and then put some breakpoints in here. And essentially just run it. Okay, so here it is, and then we have the Excel file, and it has the right extension, which is XLSM. I'm going to go ahead and click on process, and here it is. It's going in here. I just want to see what the format is, and let's take a look. Evaluate. It's sure enough XLSM. Okay, so that's the format we want. And then it's going to go through and do its thing. Okay, and now at the point of saving, it's going to be, it should be the same format. So I'm going to go ahead and, so it's process, found row 8, job number so and so completed, remove from worksheet, check for new job, and it insert row 3, job number 1421-01. Cool. All right, so let's take a look at the new XLS format right here, XLSM, worksheet. It's just been updated, and we're going to open up this in Excel, and enable editing and enable content. Are you on? Yes, yes, all that good. So yeah, so it's let me see, it's row 3, so it's added this particular job right here. We can see it row 3, and it took the other one out as shown on the status of this processing utility here. All right, so far, and we have no errors as far as the file is concerned. I can open it in Excel. It didn't complain. It seems to be working.